How to fix Spotify playing random songs. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can solve if Spotify has been playing random songs. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let me describe to you what the issue is over here. If I open up Spotify application and then I just play a specific playlist over here, right? So I'll just go ahead and open up a playlist and then I'll just play a song. The problem over here seems to be that when I reach the end of this song, instead of directly playing the next song, it is going to choose a random song from the playlist and then play that song respectively, which is what we don't want. And this feature in another word is actually called shuffle. So this is shuffling right now. So how do you want to turn off shuffle? So the first thing you have to understand is that the turning off shuffle feature is only available for premium users. So if you are a free user like me, what you might want to consider is simply go to the premium tab and then you simply want to go ahead and tap on the get premium, enter your payment details and then listen to music in that way. Because Spotify previously had the option to turn off shuffle even on free accounts, but unfortunately as of this moment they have simply upgraded the feature and then now you have to upgrade it to the premium version in order to be able to turn off shuffle. So if you already have a premium, what you can do is simply go ahead and play that song, and when you play that song you'll most likely find the shuffle icon right next to it. You can just tap on it to turn on or off the shuffle feature. So hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem as to fixing the random songs, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.